Hi, my name is Krista Martin, and I want to congratulate you because you are super awesome and you've already made it to the third system that you must have in place for success in your business. Again, building systems is kind of a non-glamorous activity, unglamorous. I don't know if that's an actual word, but it's not really fun building the systems. But the fun comes when you are able to realize the benefits of having free time to spend on what you want to do, whether in your business, working with clients, making more money, or maybe it's even cutting out a little bit early and going to pick up your kids from school. Whatever it is that you want to do with your time, that's the reason you're in business. And I'm here to help you find those ways to systematize and automate your business so that you get to do what you love to do and not have to do the other stuff. Okay, so let's jump right in. System number 3 is lead capture and follow-up. These are very, very important components of building your online business because if you're not capturing leads on your website, then, well, you don't have a list to market or share your great insight and content with. So you need to have some option on your website, preferably even in your email signature as well, where new interested parties can sign up to get your incredibly valuable free content. We want it to be an irresistible opt-in offer, whether it's a PDF, audio, or training similar to what you're doing here. It's giving the reader or the listener or your online viewer something they cannot live without. And I know you're going to think, oh, I can't give away too much because I want to make sure they're paying for the content. But if you give them great, valuable content, they're going to keep coming back to you. So we will work on building your irresistible opt-in offer in another training. But what I want to focus on here is making sure that you have a way to capture the leads that come to your website. You have several options. You could have your web designer set up a simple opt-in box that says, hey, here, put your name and email address for email updates. Key being here, you do have to send them email updates, and preferably on a regular basis. But you could do something simple like that. Or there's a plugin that I love that I've used quite extensively for WordPress sites that's Magic Action Box. And there's a couple different pricing points where you can jump in. I chose middle of the road. I think it was 40 bucks maybe. But what it does is gives you the option to create very customized opt-in boxes. That's a tongue twister if you say it too often, apparently, in a row. But anyways, it will let you create the opt-in boxes on your website, and you have all kinds of options. You can make them pretty or however you want. But if you don't know how to do it or don't want to mess with that, hit reply and I'll be glad to set you up with somebody that can handhold you through the process of getting that in place. And I'll also provide the link to the Magic Action Box recommended plugin that I suggest you purchase to add to your website. So you want to make sure you have a way to capture leads. You also want to be following up with those leads. You want to be able to send them their irresistible free offer that they opted in for, or you want to be able to send them your weekly content that is just blowing their minds because it's so powerful and they can't do without your content. So what I have chosen, there's a bunch of different e-newsletter providers out there, and I used MailChimp for a long time and had great success with it. The best part about MailChimp is it's free until you get to a very high number of email subscribers. So that's where I recommend you jump in if you haven't already started with an e-newsletter of some sort. I currently use Aweber, and I've been very happy with that. I believe it's around 20 bucks a month, but it is absolutely worth it because it has great follow-up sequences, autoresponders that you can put in place that you want to have, because again, you want to have those frequent touches with your clients or your prospective clients, because you want them to feel comfortable buying from you down the line. On average, it takes at least 5, probably closer to 10 touches with a prospect before they even consider or feel comfortable buying from you. So you want to have that newsletter that comes out in a regular frequency, and you want to have awesome content. And with Aweber or MailChimp, you can set up autoresponders. You can also set up a way to deliver your free, awesome opt-in that they signed up for. And it's a great way to build your leads list. And both of the programs offer you a way to have several different lists. So if they jump in on, a free offer for ABC product, or maybe they jump in for an offer to get your newsletter, they can be on different lists, and then you can manage them how you want. But that's my recommendation here. You need to have a system in place for capturing leads. Whatever system that is, you need to have it in place. My recommendations on your website are to have absolutely, especially on your home page as well as your about page, a place where they can enter their name and email address to get updates, email updates from you, but also you want to have your compelling free offer all over your website, so your prospective clients can sign up for that, get amazing content from you, and be on their way to getting to success, whatever success looks like, and building confidence in you and their willingness to purchase from you. And then also you want to have the follow-up system in place, which you can do through MailChimp or Aweber are my two recommendations. As always, hit reply if you have any questions. I will do my best to support you, and if I can't, I will pass the information along of someone else you could contact that can help with your technical questions. But this is absolutely a must for all online businesses. Get your lead capture system in place today. Thank you, and I wish you much business success. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning.